Not the worst backdrop in the world, is it?
No, I like it a lot.
Is it not funny that we're waiting for a truck to leave so it's quiet so we can film? Hey, we're back in the shop, and this is actually good. Combine's
Yeah.
actually sitting outside just because sometimes it's easier. We got a couple different projects going on. But first off, we got to talk about something that you're doing this weekend as Kona hoofs her freaking footprints in there. She's like, yep, you're filming. Now I'm going to go drink water and gallop that up. How? Every time we film. Comes, got to bug us.
She has to get a little attention. She wants to be in the video.
And I'm gonna slurp up water like a camel. All right, so you are doing, dog finally quit slurping water. You actually have been doing something really cool this last year. You went back to college, so you have a 4-year degree in, was it a BA or what was your degree in?
Yeah, my undergrad is in marketing.
Okay. But then, after all the life changes you've had in the last year, you decided, hey, let's throw another one in. You've been getting your master's degree, and this upcoming weekend, you're flying into Vegas because...
Yeah, so the graduation ceremony. So I never did so I got my undergrad, my bachelor's from the University of Phoenix online, and then I got my master's through the University of Phoenix online. I never did the graduation ceremony when I got my bachelor's degree. Life was just going on, and it wasn't good timing. And so this time around, I'm like, you know what?
Was it like in between kids?
No, No, but I was like working full time, multiple jobs, and Tom and I just started dating and all that. So it just didn't seem like a priority at the time to go fly somewhere.
Let's get ready to cheer on our master's degree graduates as they come forward.
This time around, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the cap and gown. I'm gonna walk across the stage, do all the things. So yeah.
I just wish it wasn't the tail end of September when I am going into the busiest portion of the season.
Yes.
Because I would love to fly down there. The reason I bring it up, one, it's a huge accomplishment. Two, I hope any of you guys that are out there that just are either challenging yourself, and it could be something dumb. So this is what's so funny, and this is where we have this crazy paradox. Dawn graduated high school with 3.8 GPA, but that also involves like multiple AP classes at a pretty decent, respectable high school. Like they were low-level college classes, or like the equivalent.
Diane and I, school just came really easy to
Yeah.
us. Like we were wired for how the system works, right? So it just was natural and not as hard for us as it was for some others.
Yeah, because I busted my butt to pull C's. I graduated I think with a 3.1, and I think I sandbagged it my senior year with all these E classes to bring it up. So I struggled all the way through school, but then after I got out of school, like you actually earlier in the week were showing me how to use ChatGPT to help proofread emails. Because like for me, out of all the words we've changed, why can't we just come up with a universal there?
Yeah.
Like THEEE, like 3 E's are, that's gonna dominate all the theirs. My thing is always like grammar, stuff like that, because it doesn't click with me. And but I still, for everything we do, I have to keep my different licenses and
Well,
spec.
you're a businessman. I mean,
And
we are, yeah.
So for any of you that are out there challenging yourself, and even because like for you, it wasn't like even like a monetary gain getting your master's. It was just something you wanted to do, right?
Yeah, I've just been fascinated by human behavior. It just, I've always been really interested in it, ever since. So my sister and I are identical twins, and we live not far from the University of Minnesota, and they started the largest twin study ever when we were in 5th grade. And so we got to be a part of it every couple of years. We'd go up to the University of Minnesota and do all these tests, and they would like stick electrodes to our heads and flash pictures in front of us and do questionnaires and interviews. But afterwards, you would get like this little like summary recap about what the similarities and differences were. And I couldn't wrap my head around. We are genetically, like our DNA is 100% the exact same. We could not be more different.
Really? I didn't know that.
We are so different.
Oh, wow.
And so it brings in the like nature versus nurture, which now they believe it's pretty like 50-50. But now in my psychology classes too, they were referencing this twin study, and I'm like, I was a part of it. But anyways, I've always been like fascinated by those differences in human behavior and like why? Like, why do people do what they do?
So they go to a twin study. Everyone's so excited for them. I'm furious. Not because you guys are there. Do you remember? So mom and dad
I
rent
think
a
you got left behind. They didn't care about the younger brother.
So the U of M, I think, I don't remember if mom and dad had to pay for it or if you guys got like a hotel
No,
room.
they would give us a hotel room because we get done pretty
Okay.
late, and it's like in Minneapolis, so we could just spend the night in a hotel and go swimming, which was like such a big deal.
We have a family member that's older that will stay nameless, but they're a very boring human being. I always had to get suckered with them. So they'd be going
Yeah.
up to a hotel room in the pool.
Yep.
I would have to
That
get
was
stuck with a nun. Oh, so yes, that's funny.
Because I think even mom and dad participated in
Yeah.
it too, so they were doing stuff too during the
Yeah.
night. Yeah, I know they should have had a little brother to it. I'm really sorry.
Oh no, it's fine. It's just funny
Yeah.
what you remember because I remember I had to go to school. You guys got out of school. I had
Yeah,
to go.
that's true. We got to miss a day of school too. Yeah,
Oh,
it's a big
I
deal.
had to go home, say my prayers, and crawl in a very uncomfortable bed. I still remember this stuff. Isn't it funny? Like, why?
Yeah.
I mean, I know those
Yeah.
are the formative years, but oh my gosh, some of those funny memories.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we say all this to say, feel free to throw it. If you got any funny stories of your childhood, anything like that, throw it in the comments. Again, we always see the comments. But just believe me, Dawn's got 4 kids, full-time mom. My career path takes me all kinds of different directions. I just don't have time to respond to all the comments, but please always throw comments in the comment section because we always get a kick
Yeah.
out of them. So funny family stories, funny farm
Yeah.
stories.
Well,
Man,
and
we
if you're
love
not
them.
growing, you're dying, right? Like like you gotta keep learning, and I mean every day, like you and dad are like all you do is like solve problems and puzzles, and you know, like I mean you're constantly like having to problem solve and do all that. And obviously we know Eric is very smart too at everything he does. It's just it doesn't show up in the GPA.
Yeah, that's a good way of looking at it.
Absolutely.
Like I said, I struggled all the way through school. I studied so hard to get C's. The only thing that's funny is when I was doing the building drying stuff, I had my microbial mold remediation certificate. I had a list of certificates. I had water damage restoration. I had commercial drying. No, there's one class that I got like 73% on the test, and that is commercial drying specialist. It's the only certification at that time in the drying world I didn't have. 2015, I took the test. I got like a 71, 72. You needed 74 to pass. Even though I don't even have those certifications anymore, I want to, like, if I won the lottery,
Yeah.
it's a 3-day class.
Okay.
I want to go take the class just to take the test again, just so for my
you
own
did
personal
it.
thing, just to say,
Yeah.
hey, at one time, this date and time, yes, I passed the test. And I know there's blowback from, like, we have family members that be like, what's the big deal? It's just a test. But for me, it's just
yeah,
that
no,
that
it's
inner
a-
accomplishment that, like, I
Sure,
started
you
this
did.
journey. I just
Yeah.
want to finish it. So yeah, someday I want to go get my CDS certification just to say I did.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, I'm hoping down the road. So,
So what's been going on this week?
oh my gosh, right? It's like the weekly update.
Yeah, no,
In the
I
farm
love
world.
It was fun walking down and seeing you guys all crawling around the combine and everything. And
Thanks for coming down.
You guys are having a party at the combine and you didn't tell me?
We will when it's done.
Yeah.
We will when it's done. Yes.
seeing both of them home, that was awesome.
We have a friend named Rich that he actually used to work at a John Deere dealership and work on combines. I've been
What
on
a
him.
great friend to have.
Yeah, our friendship has gotten a little
It's grown.
stronger this last year. So the cool thing, I was amazed. So okay, I know tractors fairly, at the farmer level, pretty decent. Like I'm not a full-fledged stick, but I know a few things about those.
Yeah.
Trucks are the same thing. Combines are one of those things that like, okay, and let's pick on combines for a minute. Combine, okay, so when you drive a semi or a tractor, you typically have gears and a clutch, and it physically is movement. Okay, combines, it's all rubber bands running the dang machine called
Really?
belts.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So it's funny because you have this motor and you have this drive shaft, but it goes to this gearbox, and then everything's just ran off belts. So it's not rocket science, but it's not necessarily my forte.
Yeah. Coyotes.
Coyotes. Now Kona's gonna bark. Yep. Well, we'll go. Sorry for the background noise.
Yeah.
It's real. So anyways, the magical machine that gets driven by rubber bands,
Yeah,
basically.
Yeah, the huge machine.
It's just, yeah, and they're big,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They're not actually that heavy. That's the funny thing.
Okay.
They're actually really not that heavy. They're easy to lowboy as far as weight. It's just
Okay.
wires and stuff you're always worried about. But anyways, the rubber band machine isn't exactly like what I've cut my teeth on. So every year I'm learning. And so the only cool thing, when Rich was over here, he was kind of going through both of them because he showed up last night and he was going through both of them. And he's like, you know, really not bad bearing. We had a bad bearing, simple stuff, belts, basic stuff. So actually tonight it was kind of fun. Me, Adam, and Rich, we were all banging away on it. Dean was here for a little while. Yeah, just going well. The only downside is our parts list. So I started the day with a good parts list. Our parts list kept getting bigger. It's that white box you see right there.
Okay.
And because, you know, Sharpie will write on just about anything, and I always got cardboard around. So we'll be back at Deere tomorrow morning building off that parts list.
Okay.
But pretty cool. The other thing that's been kind of fun, Dad, I don't know where he got this. We had a spreader that we knew the axles were needed some attention, and so we ripped that apart here this last week. Oh wow, pins coming out. Okay, keep going, keep going. A little more. Dad actually has it on the bench and started cutting them apart, welding those all together. Prior weeks where the main focal points were tractors and spreaders. This week, because we know we're probably about a week away from start getting in the fields and rolling in the fields, harvesting crops. This week it's been a transition back to farm equipment, combines. We actually had our good friend, Mechanic Larry. I know that guy's exhausted with me, but thank you, Larry. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being nice. And thank you for letting me drop parts off at your house at 9:18 at night. The LEDs make it look crazy. All I want to do is say thank you. 8:45 at night, we just ripped 3 SCVs off. Yep. Thank you, Adam. Yep. Now, I will tell everyone, we have a few of his customers that have watched his channel. If you want to stay on Larry's good side, do not drop parts at his house at 9:18 at night. I'm telling you. No. But in this case, we were trying to get, we had these things, the SCVs are where the hydraulics go on the back of a tractor. Basically, they were leaking oil. We thought, so he's done 6 so far. There's 3 on each tractor. He did 2 tractors. Well, then once you know, when I was walking around another one and I'm looking at the oil drip on the ground, I'm like, oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was kind of one of those things where it's like, hey, buddy. I sent him a text first, like, hey, is it possible that if I drop this off tonight? And I promise, because he lives in a very nice section of town, I will drive a quiet vehicle so I don't wake anybody up.
Nice.
We got a lot of things going in the right direction. It was kind of funny. He got all those ripped apart today. He sent me a video. He's like, you know, my bench was clean a week ago.
Got another bench full of parts. And to think, yesterday at this time, my bench was completely cleaned off. Now we start over once again.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks, buddy.
Yep.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Thanks
That
for not
time of
retiring.
year. Yeah.
Thank you for being nice. Thank you for probably not saying all those choice words in your head right now. No. But yeah, so we just got a lot of things going in the right direction.
Yeah,
And
it seems like you're winning.
yeah, no, we definitely are. Next week's going to be more fun if we get in the fields.
Yeah.
Oh, you can tell.
The beans are already?
We got a field that's probably about a week away. Okay. We had some of our last planted stuff. Leaves are slowly coming off.
Yeah.
But yeah, week to week and a half for sure. Okay. That'd be pretty good. So after 3 seasons, I think, that we put this grain tank extension on, we never had a light or a fill sensor. Hey, we're finally fixing it.
No. Yep. Yep. No. Yep.
You know, like all things, good things come to those who wait. Some of the other stuff, just a lot of phone calls back and forth, getting everything lined up, and walking around the shop, got my AirPods in so I can Bluetooth the phone calls, and the amount of people are like, what are you doing? What's that background noise? Well, we're talking, but I can't quit working. So we got to keep going.
Yeah.
So sorry.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Fun, just knowing that the fun stage of the year is coming up.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
I mean, this hands down best time of year. Riding in the for me, riding in the combine is my absolute favorite thing in the fall.
Yeah. Oh, I get it. It's nice when everything's going good. There's actually sometimes that my favorite time of the year is February or January, because the only thing the cold weather does, it slows everything down.
Yeah,
No,
It's
but
true.
but we got the shop door open. We had a beautiful fall night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we just know after that Thanksgiving time frame, it's like that time of the year. Like, oh, I wish I didn't live here. But
Yeah. Oh,
we're
yeah.
not there yet.
We're enjoying it right now. Yeah.
We had a fun comic that people lived in Tennessee and their leaves aren't
Okay.
turning yet.
Yeah.
I'm with you. That's a beautiful region. I've spent a lot of time in Tennessee, and there's so many sections of the country that are beautiful.
Yeah.
But Smoky Mountains, Tennessee, I mean,
Yeah,
there's
hard to
just
beat it. Yeah.
very, even the west side, over by the Mississippi,
Yeah.
beautiful area. But yeah, we can't call all the states because there's actually even like dumb as it sounds, when you're a farm kid, a field in North Dakota is cool to
yeah.
look at because it's just flat and
I mean,
gigantic.
actually, I think
and
every area of the country has its
Yeah.
own type of
Yeah.
beauty. So, yeah, it's just different times of year. You appreciate it differently.
excited about getting away from the kids? No.